So, hello, my name is Michael Riester. I'm Endress+Hauser, and we are here on the OI4 Knowledge Camp at Multivendor in Wolfertsschwenden. I just want to give you some details about our OI4 Multivendor demonstrator we did originally for the SPS 2021. Basically, it's to prove and to show how the work of OI4 regarding reference implementation, reference architecture, also regarding open edge computing platform fits together in an end-to-end scenario, especially for the use cases automatic onboarding, master data management, and condition monitoring. So, as you can see, we have some Endress+Hauser sensors here in the visible things layer, both connected via HART. And we have two IFM sensors, one vibration sensor and one temperature sensor connected via IIoLink, just to show that we are able to manage or handle different kinds of feed bus protocols via different kind of edge connectivity, as you can see on HART IP gateway and then Hilscher IIoLink master to transport the data into the WAGO gateway here with an open edge computing platform on it, as it has been defined by the OI4. On the WAGO edge also we have the cloud connector, so the open operator cloud connector, who will take the data, transport it on the MQTT bus, the WAGO gateway, and will be mapped into an asset administration shell and corresponding submodels and stored into the AAS infrastructure, so the home of the digital twins in an OI4 reference architecture. As you can see, there have been different companies part of the demonstrator, of course, Endress+Hauser and IFM with our sensors, but also Hilscher with software on the gateway, with the IIoLink master, IFM with their sensors and software on the master. Diva-e and M&M did big parts of the reference implementation of OI4, and Novatec also did some graphical user interface to show the content of the AS. So, as you can see, we have a lot of topics here, but especially we have the topics of the asset administration shell, as it is a core concept for the OI4 reference architecture. And there's a lot of discussions going on, a lot of work going on also out of OI4. A lot of companies dealing with the asset administration shell and use cases and concepts around it. And also in OI4 we have a lot of discussions, and we will have a lot of discussion, bring this concept of the asset administration shell to life and to make it feasible for our members and the customers of our members. So feel free to join. We will be happy if you join our work groups, Open Operator Cloud, CAM Cloud Central, or data spaces. Be part of our team, be part of the discussions, and learn and provide your experience to our topics.